Hey, how's it going, guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, I have another microphone review for you today. I have the ZINGYOU BM800. This is a condenser microphone. The microphone is plugged into my SSL solid state logic. As you can see here, the phantom power is on. The microphone gain is about this microphone actually is quite powerful in my opinion. The gain is about 12 o'clock. So obviously this is due to the phantom power. This is a condenser microphone. I don't do any post-production editing of the audio, no processing. This is a raw audio of the microphone. This microphone is gonna cost you about 28 British pounds or 29. But it's bundle microphone. So this microphone comes with a lot of attachments. It's as a bundle. So let me show you what comes in the box. So the first thing that you can see is gonna be the user manual, as you can see here, with some information about the microphone. Also, we have a massive pop filter. This thing is massive. Let me show you. Look at that. See, I can cover my face. I don't know, this thing is massive. I mean, it's a good touch, but this is gigantus. It's gigantus. It's big. It's massive. I don't know if I'm gonna use this pop filter, but it's a good touch. This is a bundle, so it comes with a lot of stuff. Also, the microphone comes with this 3.5 millimeter to XLR. We're not gonna use this cable. We're gonna use traditional XLR to XLR cable. Also, we have an interesting cable here, so type A. So you plug this to your computer, and the other end you have a headphone jack and a microphone, which in my opinion we're probably not gonna need this cable, but it's a good touch to have it. Also, we have more documentations. So yeah, we have more documentations, as you can see here. We have a windscreen foam. This is a very good touch, and as I touch it and see it, actually this is a very good quality windscreen foam in my opinion. So I'm gonna test that in a second, so we'll see what is the plosive situations. Also, we have a C-clamp. And I'm curious to see if this is a good quality. So, I mean, this is pretty standard C-clamp for your desk. Also, we have a scissor arm. This is pretty standard as well, but it's a good touch. You have a scissor arm. Also, you have a attachment here for, I don't know if you can see. Oops. Okay, you have the adapter for the microphone stand. Nothing special, but it's a good touch to have this. And last but not least, we have the shock mount. As you can see here, pretty standard. It's the same as my one, so this is generic, normal, standard. I mean, not bad thing. I mean, it's okay. But yeah, so this is everything that you get, and also the microphone. This is the microphone that you get as well. So like I mentioned, this microphone is gonna cost you about 28-30 pounds. And this is the sound. Do you like the sound of the BM800 from ZINGYOU? So let me give you some specifications of this microphone. So this is the BM800. As you know, this microphone is Cardio 8 polar pattern, is like the shape of the heart. So basically it's like heart shape, the polar pattern. I'll demonstrate how is the sound from the microphone when I do some spinning, just to see the difference of the Cardio 8 polar pattern. Also, some of the specification of this microphone: frequency response is 20 Hz, 20 kHz. Sensitivity is minus 34 dB. Impedance is 15 ohms. Apologize, 150 ohms. And yeah, this is pretty much all the specification of this microphone. So let's do some tests now. First, let me see what is the situation with the plosives. Please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. So this is without the windscreen foam. Again, please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. So let's put the windscreen foam. All right. Please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. So this is the microphone with the windscreen foam attached. Again, please bring pizza pronto. Please bring pizza pronto. So this is gonna make a difference, basically, if you use the pop filter. Obviously, if you do podcasts and if you sing, and basically, it's good to have options. So you have the pop filter and we have the massive windscreen. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spin the microphone, so just to show you what is the difference, because this microphone is a Cardio 8 polar pattern. So I'm on the front of the microphone, so you have to speak front of the microphone. I don't know if you can see, but there's the logo and the model of the microphone. That means that you have to speak front of the microphone. So Cardio 8 polar pattern means that you have to speak front, and this rejects the background noise behind. So I'll demonstrate right now. So I'm gonna spin the microphone right now. So I'm spinning the microphone. So this is the 90 degrees of the microphone, and now I'm the back of the microphone. So as you can hear, probably the sound is not gonna be great. Let's spin the microphone. This is 90 degrees, but I can see some spikes on my program. So maybe this is a unidirectional Cardio 8 polar pattern microphone. Again, this is the front of the microphone. So as you can see, this is the front. Let me quickly check if this is a Cardio 8. Yeah, it's a Cardio 8 polar pattern. Doesn't say if this is a unidirectional, because if the microphone is unidirectional, basically it's gonna get the sound from most likely from everywhere, from 90 degrees as well. But it's Cardio 8 polar pattern, so I'm checking my recording levels, and this is healthy recordings in my opinion. Alright, so now let me know what do you think about the BM800 from ZINGYOU. Like I mentioned, this is a Cardio 8 polar pattern microphone, condenser microphone that requires a 48 phantom power. The next thing that I'm gonna do, this is basically I'm doing, I like to do that because due to the SSL2 solid state logic, I love this audio interface. So the audio interface has a 4K legacy button. So now I'm going to switch this button on just to see what is the difference. As you know, the 4K legacy button is going to make your voice a little bit more harmonic. It's going to boost the high ends, and it's going to make the voice a little bit more presence. And I love that. I love this 4K legacy button. So let's press it now and let's see what is the difference. Alright, so this is the 4K legacy button on, as you can hear. So I believe this is gonna be some difference now. I can see some quite a little bit more higher levels of the recordings. I'm recording with my MacBook Pro, and I'm using the Audacity, which is a free software, a brilliant software for just record a microphone. This is the 4K legacy button. And I love it. Let me know what you think. Do you think that the 4K legacy button sounds good? Do you think that this is great? There's any difference with the sound? Personally think the 4K legacy button is doing great job. If you don't know, the legacy button, the 4K legacy button is similar to Focusrite Scarlett, the Air mode. If you have a Scarlett, any Scarlett, probably the third generation, you'll find this Air mode pretty similar. But yeah, let me know what you think about the 4K legacy button with this condenser microphone. So let's switch to the 4K legacy button now. The 4K legacy button is off, and now you'll see the difference. And I think this is much quieter, not very quieter, but you probably see some difference of the microphone. But let me know what do you think, guys. I mean, I enjoying making videos for you. I love it. I love audio gear. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased this microphone a couple of days ago, and I just want to present you this microphone. And if you're looking for XLR condenser microphone, if you're on a budget, I think this is a good buy. But you are the judge. You are the one who listening, and I think it's better to say that most of the time it's better to use the headphones when I do these tests. Try with the headphones and then try without the headphones just to see how is the difference, because when you use the headphones you can have much better clear idea how is the sound from this microphone for different occasions types, if you're a musician, if you record instruments, and so on. So as always, thank you very much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think about this microphone. If you have any suggestions, leave it in the comments down below. As always, this was Stefan. I'll see you in the next video.